Ever wondered how to set up your order types? I'm Poch from Intention Creative, the industry's leading liquor store niche marketing agency. We're going to start here from the dashboard. From here, you're going to scroll down to the settings. Click on the settings menu, and we're going to go to business settings. Now, from the business settings, we're going to look at available order types. So this is where you can choose if you allow pickup, you allow delivery, or you allow shipping. So if you want to edit any of these, just click this little pencil icon up here, and you can toggle on and off pickup, on and off delivery, or on and off shipping. Once you're done, click on the check mark. Now remember, even if you have these delivery and shipping toggled on or off, you still have to set these up here in the delivery section and the shipping section where you'd have to connect FedEx, etc. So just a little note, if you check here, it doesn't mean that you're set up in the delivery and shipping menus. So make sure that those are set up as well. Now, another question we get regularly is how do we enable curbside pickup? Is that like regular pickup? No. For curbside pickup, you'd have to request it through us through our help desk. So to do that, just go down here to the bottom left part and click this little question mark. And then you'd like to contact us for a feature request. So share an idea, or you can actually just submit a ticket. So let's submit a ticket. Let's make the priority a low issue, and you can make the subject enable curbside pickup, and just copy that here as well. Sorry, correct my spelling, and just copy that here for the description as well. Enable curbside pickup. Once you're done, just submit that, and we'll work on it in the back end to enable curbside pickup for you. If you want to see more City Hive tips and tricks, join our newsletter in the link below. If you're a liquor store looking to grow your in-store or online sales quickly, visit our website at intentionallycreative.com.